The soft glow of candlelight has a way of transforming any space, infusing it with warmth and a sense of calm. The allure of scented candles, with their ability to evoke memories and create ambiance, has led many to explore the art of candle making at home. It's a delightful DIY project that not only allows for creativity, but also results in a product that enhances the atmosphere of your living space. So, gather your materials and prepare to embark on a fragrant journey of crafting your very own scented candles. To begin, you'll need to gather your supplies. The foundation of any candle is wax, and there are several types to choose from. Paraffin wax is the most common and readily available. But if you prefer a more natural option, consider soy wax or beeswax. Soy wax is particularly popular for home candle making because it burns cleanly and holds fragrance well. You'll also need a double boiler or a makeshift one using a pot and a heat-safe container, a thermometer to monitor the temperature, wicks, fragrance oils, and containers for your candles. These could be glass jars, metal tins, or even teacups, allowing for a touch of personalization. Once your materials are assembled, it's time to start melting the wax. Fill the bottom pot of your double boiler with water and bring it to a gentle simmer. Place the wax in the top container and allow it to melt slowly. It's crucial to monitor the temperature, aiming for around 170 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature ensures that the wax is fully melted and ready to accept your chosen fragrance oils. While the wax is melting, take a moment to consider the scents you'd like to blend. Perhaps you envision the cozy aroma of vanilla and cinnamon for those chilly evenings, or a refreshing combination of citrus and eucalyptus to invigorate your mornings. The beauty of DIY candle making lies in the ability to experiment and create unique blends that resonate with your personal style. Once the wax is fully melted, it's time to add the fragrance. A general rule of thumb is to use about 1 ounce of fragrance oil for every pound of wax. Stir the oil into the melted wax thoroughly, ensuring the scent is evenly distributed. Now, as you prepare to pour the wax into your containers, it's essential to secure the wicks. Most wicks come with a metal base that can be adhered to the bottom of your container using a bit of melted wax or a wick sticker. Position the wick in the center, ensuring it stands upright. This step is critical. A centered wick ensures an even burn and a well-formed candle. With the wick secured, it's time to pour the melted wax into your chosen containers. Take your time during this step, pouring slowly to avoid creating air bubbles. Fill the containers to your desired height, but remember to leave a little space at the top. After pouring, allow the candles to cool undisturbed. This cooling period is an opportunity for the wax to settle and for the scent to fully integrate. As the candles cool, you might notice some imperfections on the surface. Don't worry, this is common. If you desire a smooth finish, you can reheat a bit of leftover wax and pour it over the cooled candle to create a seamless top. Alternatively, you can embrace the rustic charm of a slightly uneven surface. Once cooled completely, which usually takes a few hours, it's time to trim the wick. Aim for about a 1/4 inch above the wax surface, as this length will help create a steady flame when lit. Now, the moment of truth arrives. Lighting your candle. As the wick catches fire, a soft flame dances, and the aroma begins to fill the room. The scent wafts through the air, transforming your space into a sanctuary of tranquility. Perhaps you've chosen a scent that reminds you of a sunlit garden or a cozy evening by the fireplace. Each candle tells a story, and as you indulge in the experience, you may find yourself lost in memories or dreams. Creating scented candles at home is more than just a craft. It's a therapeutic process that allows for mindfulness and creativity. The act of melting wax, blending fragrances, and pouring into containers is a form of self-expression. Each candle can be customized for different occasions, whether it's a calming lavender for a relaxing bath or a festive pine scent for holiday gatherings. As you become more comfortable with the process, consider experimenting with colors. Candle dyes are available in various forms, including liquid and chips. A few drops of dye in the melted wax can create beautiful hues that complement the scents you've chosen. Remember to mix thoroughly to achieve an even color throughout the wax. For those looking to elevate their candle-making game, consider adding embellishments. Dried flowers, herbs, or even spices can be incorporated into the wax before pouring. These not only add visual appeal, but can enhance the scent as well. Imagine a candle infused with dried lavender and chamomile, perfect for a soothing atmosphere. Once you've mastered the basics, the possibilities are endless. You can create themed candles for different seasons or occasions, giving them as thoughtful gifts or using them to enhance your own home. The joy of DIY candle making lies in its versatility and the personal touch you can bring to each creation. In the end, the experience of crafting scented candles is a delightful blend of art and science, where creativity meets technique. You'll find satisfaction in knowing that each flickering flame represents not just a source of light, but a piece of your imagination and effort. So, gather your supplies, unleash your creativity, and let the world of candle making illuminate your home and spirit.